All right, this is Kevin with Juggernaut USA. We got a fun build with us today. This is a brand new 2026 F150. It is the base model. They went this route so they could spend a little bit more money on upgrades. We got some cool stuff going on this here. We have the Dobinsons MRR kit. It's a really cool kit that came out on the market pretty recently. It's three-way adjustable, so it has high and low speed compression. It also has rebound adjustment, so you can fine tune your suspension for off-road needs there. We're doing some Dirt King upper control arms with it, wheels and tires, and a full skid plate package by Juggernaut USA. So we're getting this thing set up for some fun off-roading.